Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to stop passcode on your iPhone. So if you iPhone user, you must be need to know how you can do it. And it is that easy technique, and I think you know if you are iPhone user. And if you know, then you can skip this video. And I'm making video actually new user. I want to go settings because I want to change passcode. You must be go to settings. Then here is showing many option. As I just tap on the face ID and passcode. Here in just asking my enter passcode, current passcode. Then I just tap here. Yeah, it's coming. So if you want to stop, totally stop, then you just scroll down and below showing the turn passcode off. Then you just tap here. Then asking the face ID and just want to current passcode. Then I just tap here my current passcode. Yeah, it's already stop. So pretty easy, and you can do it like that. And let me know if you face any problem, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.